I heard y'all want to know how to glow up for absolutely free. $0. Free 99. And I got the tips for you. So let's get into them.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
All right, y'all. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day something. I have lost track of the days straight up. So, anyways, today I wanted to tell you guys about how to glow up for free. Free 99. Now, if you guys missed it, I made a video all about embracing our natural beauty and just like taking ownership of our natural beauty in 2025. And this is basically part 2 of that video. So if you haven't seen the first one, pause this video, go watch the first one, and then come back and watch this one, or watch this one all the way through and then go check out the first one to get all the tips and tea, because it's really important that these videos kind of go together because the tips really go together. So, very first tip, we're going straight into it. Go into your kitchen, find whatever oil you have, warm it up, and put that on your hair. We are talking about hot oil treatments. Now, everybody's house got some oil in it. Whatever oil you have, coconut, olive, shoot, girl, I don't know. There's plenty of different oils, okay? Use it. I use avocado oil on my hair because I'm actually allergic to coconut oil and hair products. Fun times. So it really agitates my scalp if I use it, so I don't use it, but I usually use avocado oil or some kind of coconut oil, castor oil even. I love using pumpkin seed oil as well. Pumpkin seed oil is one of my favorites for the scalp, but we are doing this for free. So whatever you have in your house, girl, go ask your friend if she got oil in her house, okay? Say, can I have a cup of oil? Like a liter, ask your neighbor. I don't know, but ask for a cup of oil. That's all you need. And you can do multiple treatments with that 1 cup of oil, but this is free 99, girl. A hot oil treatment is going to benefit your hair. It's going to make it stronger, healthier, shinier. It's also going to condition your scalp and make your scalp smoother, softer, more moisturized, all the things that you need to create a good environment for hair growth. This is a free glow up tip because having beautiful, shiny hair is something that is always associated with beauty. When you see a girl that everyone's saying like, oh, she glowed up, oh, she's glowing, all this, she usually has really healthy, shiny hair. It doesn't matter the ethnicity or the look. She usually has really healthy, shiny hair. And then she continues on from there, right? But we got more tips. So we're just starting with the healthy, shiny hair. So one way to do that is hot oil treatments. I do one every single week, and I feel like it has just really helped my hair flourish and grow and shine and look beautiful. But of course, that is up to you. However you want to do it is up to you. But a hot oil treatment, I just think that is like the easiest, quickest way to help with your glow up, because it will make your hair look better, shiny, softer, all of those things pretty much automatically after you do it. All you're going to do is apply it to your hair, leave it on for about 30 minutes to 2 hours, and then wash it out and continue with your regular weekly styling routine, which number 2 is going to be walking. So actually what I like to do is put on my hot oil treatment, and then I will go walk on my treadmill in my gym room. I walk on it for about 45 minutes, which is the length of one 911 episode. I be watching my show, girl. I watch my show. And I walk at an incline. And with that incline, it essentially boosts my metabolism, obviously, to help with burning fat, because we are trying to lose weight, girl. Come on. Trying to get rid of this belly. Okay. But number 2, you could do this by walking in place. You could go outside and walk if you aren't living in the frigid Arctic like your girl here. You can go outside for a walk. You can literally walk inside your home by doing a Grow with Joe walking workout, which is 1,000% free. If you're watching my video on YouTube right now, then you have access to Grow with Joe walking workouts. Any version of walking is going to be the cheapest, easiest, and most affordable way to glow up. It helps with weight loss. It helps with your body looking and feeling its best. It's a great way to tone up as well, because when you're walking, if you're walking with proper posture, you can tone up your abs, your back. It helps you standing up straight. It helps with your posture and all of those things. And it will help you to burn calories. If you can walk on an incline, it'll help your booty get bigger too, girl. Like walking does all of these things. And so when I have my hot oil treatment on, I like to walk. That way I'm getting a 2-for-1, right? I'm helping with my weight loss. I'm helping with blood pumping. And it also is releasing endorphins because you're working out. So it's making my mood better, which whenever you think of someone who glows up, they're smiling, they're happy, they're thriving, right? Part of that is having your mood boosted. So working out is going to boost your endorphins. And so it's going to have you like smiling, giggling, happier, in a better mood. That's why I really love walking. So doing your hot oil treatment and walking is one that you could stack together on top of that. But if not, just do the hot oil treatment and then just do the walking separately, however it works for you. But both of those are free ways to glow up. They take nothing from you. You could even do it with a friend. You and your friend could both put the hot oil on your hair and then go for a walk together. Like, hello, hot girl walk, hanging out with your friend and getting your hair together. Honey, that's like a win, 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 win. And it's all free. And you're doing it to glow up, and it will help you glow up. All right, y'all. The next one is going to be hydrogen peroxide. Now, this is probably something you'll be able to find in your medicine cabinet, but there are so many amazing things that I didn't know you can actually do with hydrogen peroxide. So a lot of times it's found in your medicine cabinet, and it's for like wounds and things. Like you can use it to clean out a wound. I've also heard that if it's that time of the month and you get it on your clothing, it's a great one to get blood out of your clothing, which I have used, and that does work. But the reason I'm recommending hydrogen peroxide is actually for your teeth. And I feel like it's kind of known, but not really known. But I literally just went to the dentist today, and she let me know that my teeth were pinging and white. She just kept complimenting how beautiful my teeth look. And I know for a fact it is from this. I use hydrogen peroxide on my toothbrush 2 to 3 nights a week, along with my toothpaste, and I just brush my teeth with it. When I tell you hydrogen peroxide will get your teeth white, honey, white, baby, and with not much work. If you look into the ingredients of all these teeth whitening kits that you can get at home, it's hydrogen peroxide. So just use the one you already have at home. It's cheap. And if not, I know this is free 99, but if not, hydrogen peroxide is only like $1 and you can get a big old bottle of it. So girl, go to the dollar store, get one for $1 and be good to go. If not, you probably already have it in your house. Like you probably already have hydrogen peroxide in your house. It's one of those things we all tend to have in our house and we don't really know why we need it or what we use it for. It's just there. Well, now you know what to use it for. Brushing your teeth. And it will help to whiten your teeth. You can also just use it as a mouthwash diluted with some water. So what I'll do is every couple nights, I will replace my regular mouthwash with the hydrogen peroxide rinse. Just make sure you're diluting it with water. It will burn if you just pour it in your mouth. Like, do not do that. Use it with water. This is also going to help if you have any like dental issues, like periodontal disease, which is something that I suffer from. It's genetic. So I have like the risk factors, I guess you could say, of periodontal disease. So this is something they told me to do a long time ago to make sure that I don't get like deep pockets or anything like that that can mess up my bones or in my mouth or anything like that. And it has really helped keeping my teeth white and keeping my teeth strong. So if you haven't used hydrogen peroxide, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. On the topic of teeth, the next tip I'm going to give you is straws. Straws, baby. Coffees, teas, dark sodas, anything that can stain your teeth, drink out of a straw. Stop sipping it. Drink it out of a straw. This will help you keep your teeth white that are already white. So if you are somebody who loves coffee, I mean, girl, I love me some coffee. Okay. Love me some coffee. Love energy drinks. Love all of it. All tea. I could drink tea all day. Okay. 24/7. If you want to keep your teeth white and pinging, trust me, guys, drink it from a straw. You will get used to drinking warm liquids through a straw because I drink hot coffee and cold coffee through a straw. I have no shame in my game. I really could care less, to be honest. I have glass straws at home, but of course, if you're out and about, you end up with a plastic straw or a paper straw, you know, is what it is. But use a straw. It will keep your teeth so white and pinging clean. Trust me, it is like the way to go. And again, a free 99 glow up tip, honey, because you can always get a straw at these restaurants. You can just ask them for a straw. Even if you ordered a hot coffee, just be like, oh, can I get a straw? And they'll give it to you. Like, takes nothing from you, okay? Get a straw and use that because, man, it is such a good way to keep your teeth like pinging and white without anybody really knowing. It's not something that takes a lot of effort from you either. It just takes a minute to get used to. Like drinking warm drinks from a straw is a little weird, but you'll get used to it, okay? You'll get used to it, and then it won't even faze you, and your teeth will stay pinging and white. All right, guys, the next one is going to be mastering your daily hair and makeup routine. Now, I don't want you to buy a single new product. Do not buy anything. This is for free 99. Whatever you have in your house is what you are going to use, period, okay? What you have is what you're going to use. What you're going to do is go onto Pinterest and you're going to look up women that look like you. So you could type in Black woman, clean girl aesthetic, or, you know, white woman, coquette aesthetic, whatever you want to look, whatever aesthetic you think is it that you like, that you think is beautiful. That's what you're going to look up. And you're going to look it up as a woman in your coloring. So don't look up just glow up girls or aesthetic girls, clean girl aesthetic, because you may not see women that look like you. So I want you to be specific with your looks. Brown skin woman, X aesthetic, whatever it is that you're going for, look that up first. Then look at them all and see what they have in common. Do they all, for me, I kind of love that clean girl aesthetic. I really do. I think it's so beautiful, just enhancing your natural beauty, just leaning into what God already gave you. I think it is stunning and like such an empowering thing, right? Like just to be a woman that just enhances what God gave her and just embraces it as their own beauty. So for me, I look up Black woman, clean girl aesthetic. That's what I will look up. And what I tend to find is Black women with beautiful, like natural makeup looks. Now I go through and look at the makeup that I already have and practice those makeup looks. So if they have a fluffier brow, I'm going to practice making my brows look fluffier, right? If they really have like curled up lashes, but they don't have fake lashes on, then I will use my eyelash curler to curl my lashes up and try to master my mascara placement to make it emulate their lashes. You don't need to buy any product. You just need to work on your skills. When it comes to curly hair or like hairstyling, right now I have curly hair. I'm probably going to put in some braids because I'm sick of my hair in general, to be honest. So I'm probably going to put in some braids or passion twist. I will look up Black woman, black hair, passion twist on Pinterest. And I will find a woman who's passion twist look the way that I want mine to look. And then that's how I'm going to install mine. I will also look at her makeup and how she's dressing herself and that styling and see if that is something that I can emulate with what I have in my closet to get the aesthetic and the look that I'm going for. You do not have to spend money to glow up, guys. Like literally, I'm so sick of seeing everyone say like, spend $50 million. And I know I do it too. I share with you guys that what I've purchased, right? Like you get influenced. We all get influenced. And I share with you guys. It's fun. I'm on here creating content for you guys. Like it is fun, but I also don't want my channel to just be like a big consumeristic wheel, I guess. Like I want to be able to just sit down and talk with you guys and give you tips and tea. And that's where this video came from, is doing things for free, because it really shouldn't cost you to feel beautiful. We all have the right to feel beautiful in the skin we are in. So doing these things, like figuring out how you can emulate the look you're after and then make it your own without spending excess money, is just so empowering and like feels so good. There are so many people in so much debt, especially in this day and age. Like there is no reason to be spending billions of dollars to buy the next great product when you probably have the next great product sitting in your house and you just barely use it and it's collecting dust, So the next tip to glow up for free is to go on Pinterest and find styled outfits that you're like wanting to emulate, right? So if you see a girl with good style and you're like, dang, she always looks good. Like, why are her outfits always popping? What I want you to do is go on Pinterest and type these things in, right? Look at the outfits. Do not look on there to shop. We are looking on there for inspiration. So if you see a girl in a real cute, like tank top with nice jeans or something, go in your closet and see what you have. I bet you money you have a tank top and you have a nice pair of jeans. And what you're going to do is either take that tank top, right? Maybe dye it if you have fabric dye laying around. Use a needle and thread that you might have laying around and sew it differently to get the look of the tank top you want, right? Go on YouTube, learn a skill, learn how to sew these things. There's so many options. Or do a clothing swap with your friends. So after you guys all sit around and make Pinterest boards of outfits you want, right? Everyone goes home, goes in their closet, finds things they want to give to, like put in the clothing swap, and then you guys can swap clothing. I would say do this in a big group because obviously not all friends are going to be the same clothing size. So do this in a big group. Maybe invite a bunch of girls over to do it. All the girls in your class at school, or like have all of your friends bring a +1 to this one event where you guys are doing a clothing swap, and the price of entry is, 5 pieces of clothing, and then they can leave with 5 pieces of clothing. Whatever it is, Do something like that to like enhance your wardrobe, but base it off of the style that you're looking after. Because I think a lot of times we see one person in one trendy outfit and we decide that's what we need to do is go buy those items to be trendy like that. And in reality, it's just one outfit. It might not be the outfit we even like. It could just be like the way the girl is wearing it, right? We might not even like the piece of clothing we bought. I think we've all done this before where you buy something and you actually don't like it, but you bought it because this one person looks so chic and trendy with it. So what I'm saying is to be critical with your eye about what you're seeing and what you actually like about the outfit, and then see if you can replicate it with what you have in your closet. If you can't, reach out to friends to see if they want to do a clothing swap or learn to sew it, fabric dye the clothing. I mean, there are so many options to enhance your style and embrace your style without breaking the bank. I just think it's really important that we all start thinking like that and doing things like that. Like, literally, it should not cost us an arm and a leg to glow up. It's just gotten out of control these days, to be honest. All right, guys, the next one is going to be water. Drink water. Tons of it. Tons of water. Guys, water is honestly the great beautifier. Like, it does so much for you. Water puts the whole team on her back, girl. Water really does. She put the whole team on her back, and she don't ask no questions either. She just pull up and pop out and show us how it's done, okay? Water will have your skin glowing, your hair growing, your nails looking flawless. It'll have your clothing fitting looser because you slimming down, you hydrated and looking fabulous, honey. Yeah, water will do it all for you. It will do it all for you. Drink your water. Stop buying $20 iced coffees with 50 pounds of sugar, okay? And get you a glass of water. You know, sometimes I drink warm water. Like, I love, okay, this is so crazy, but I really love it. At restaurants, I will order whatever drink I want to drink. So maybe I'll have like a soda, or I'll have tea. Lately, I've been doing like iced teas and stuff, right? Or lemonade. I love lemonade. I'll get like a lemonade or whatever. And then I will order warm water with lemon. Guys, that warm water with lemon hits so different after a meal. With a meal, it is such a good way to add in a cup of water. And I feel like it's the perfect way to seal off your meal. So it kind of seals you off from like overeating, right? You're like, okay, I'm done eating. You're notifying your stomach, hey, we're done eating. And then on top of that, you're getting in that extra hydration. So I love to do a little warm water with lemon throughout the day if I'm getting bored of my regular water that I'm drinking. There's also flavor straws you could put in there, liquid IVs, all these different ones. There's so many different ways to dress up your water. So please do yourself a favor and drink more water. If you only drink like 3 cups of water a day, baby, do better. Do the bare minimum of 8 glasses of 8 ounces of water a day. 64 ounces of water a day is the barest of bare minimum. Everybody's body has different needs of water, but that's usually like the barest of bare minimum. So make sure you're meeting that bare minimum at least and getting in more water if you can, because it will really help you to glow up, look better, feel better, and just be all around better. Honey, water is just it. All right, y'all. So those are all my tips on how to glow up for $0, free 99. All right, babe. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you did, make sure you click that subscribe button. We got one rule on this channel, and that is that we do not gatekeep. So if I missed any tips on how to glow up for free, please, please, please leave them in the comments down below so that the whole crew can glow up as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.